Good afternoon. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan. I'm attempting to visit every Amtrak station in America. We're well on our way with well over 100 done. I'm coming to you from Hammond / Whiting, Indiana. We're here at the Amtrak station for another Amtrak station tour. Come along with us. Let's go make some memories. Alright, so there's a huge, because we're not far from Chicago, there's a huge parking lot area here. I don't know what all there is to see here, if much. This giant building back here is Horseshoe, Diamond Parking, Guest Self Park. I guess it's a casino that's back there. I don't know. I might go check that out and see what's there. I have a little bit of time to kill, so I might have to go check that out. But it says this is an unmanned station, but they still have a nice station building. This reminds me of the station in Miami, the way the building kind of looks. The building itself, it has that look, that retro Amtrak look, or it looks like it's from them. So let's see what we got out here. So as far as I know, the station should be locked because it's unmanned. But you see this is the wheelchair lift here, like always. You see all the tracks. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of tracks, wide as can be, going all the way down in both directions. Since we're so close to Chicago, a lot of freight trains pass through this area, so there's definitely a lot of space here. You see our platform goes down this way. Doesn't look like there's too much else to see down here other than the platform itself. Hey, there's not too much. There's not even any seating here at all. The only seating I see is over here. There's not too much at all. Let me see if I can get in here. I think it's going to be locked. I'm not expecting this to be open at all. Yeah, it's locked, just like I thought. But we're able to see inside. Alright, you can see inside the station here. For an unmanned station, it sucks that they don't use this anymore. Because look at that. It's nice inside. Nice tile floor, plenty of seats. Like I said, there's a car parked outside. I figured it was security or something, but I don't see anybody. Doesn't mean they're not in there somewhere. Might be taking a break or just wandering the space, but there's really nothing else to see. Going around the back, it's like there's nothing back that way at all. Just weeds, overgrown weeds. This looks like it was a station that had a lot of potential use at one point. And having a casino right here, you would think that'd be big business for this train line. Literally, the station's right here. The casino is right there. It's like a 5-minute walk, maybe 10 minutes. You would think it'd be an easy way to get in, you know, to the casino. There's not too much to see here. Very industrial area, right in the general vicinity. It looks like there are some residential buildings and stuff down this way, but not much else around here. But this is going to wrap up our quick visit here to the station in Hammond, Whiting, Indiana, just outside of Chicago. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was short and sweet, which is fine. Sometimes that's how these are. I come to these not knowing what to expect, and this one there really wasn't much, but the casino there is kind of cool. I might have to go and win some money to pay for my next trip. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. That helps us out a lot. We want to have more of our viewers that are watching subscribed. We're getting a lot of views, but like 95% of the people watching are not subscribed, so hit that subscribe button, please. All right, guys, we'll see you on the rails. We'll see you down the road. We'll see you soon.